In the summer of 2018, Menu became the first dairy partner of the FIFA World Cup. Not only a leading dairy producer in Asia, but Menu is also one of the top 10 dairy companies globally. In 2012, Menu officially incorporated internationalization in its core development strategy and has achieved impactful world-class progress as a global dairy company. Menu has expanded the business to countries within the Southeast Asia region. The overseas sales performance has grown consistently year after year. One of the Menu's top brand, Yoyic, has won many awards in the Southeast Asian market, including Singapore's 7-Eleven Leading Brand Award and the title of Top 10 Most Popular Brands for Consumers in Hong Kong. Indonesia is a promising, robust nation better than other emerging countries. The rising middle class and affluent population is vital for the country's future. Health-conscious Indonesians is on the rise. Their desire and aspiration for better living increases the need for healthy and quality goods. Yoyic believes in the natural power of dairy to bring people the perfect balance of great taste and abundant nutrition. Yoyic wants to take an active part in supporting Indonesia's achievement towards happy and healthy living. In March 2018, Yoyic started the construction of the first overseas Yoyic's liquid milk factory. Indonesia's Yoyic factory is the 60th Menu factory. The factory was completed in August 2018, and in less than half a year, the Indonesian people has witnessed the Menu speed. The Indonesian Yoyic factory is gearing to produce 3 categories of yogurt, fermented milk drink, and yogurt dessert to fulfill the needs of Indonesian consumers from all ages. The annual output of the factory reaches 100,000 tons, producing world-class quality products, making Yoyic brand move towards being the leading brand of Southeast Asian yogurt. Today, Yoyic ventures out to the world, welcoming a new journey in Indonesia and Southeast Asia. Yoyic supports every Indonesian to lead a healthy life and to achieve more. Be creative, innovative, and productive to inspire natural health for our strong nation. Yoyic empowers you and your beloved family to be healthy and enjoying every day to the fullest.